How do I? God damn it. Brad's here? Is he? Alright, join the YouTube. Can you guys hear? Wait. Stay in here for a sec, though. I'm gonna need someone to tell me if it's, like, working right. Oh, wait, I can watch it. I'm a dumbass. My mic is pretty low. Damn. I don't even know how to fix that. It is what it is. Alright, go to that right now. Alright, join that. Just make sure we can see everything. That looks fine. Are we leaving this and going to the YouTube? Yeah, go to the YouTube. Wait, how many people are in this? Yeah, we're gonna have to. Alright, I'm gonna... How's it delayed? It's barely delayed. I just watched it. I have it on low latency. So it's literally like the slowest delay ever. Alright, go to YouTube now. There we go. Oh, let's see how many trillion% I'm up now. Oh, 890. Give me that 1,000. Come on, like what the fuck? I wish I could like make the chat bigger on here. How do I? Alright, here we go. Way more clear than Discord. What is? The audio, the picture. Also, Discord was literally fucking maxed out. And I'm streaming this in 4K, I think. Alright, we're almost at 1,000. We're so close. Like, come on. Everything's better? Yo, it's Brad. Oh, got your first and last name. Careful, buddy. Shout out Mara. Wait, what do you say? Shout out Mara, my UPS loss is now even. Yeah, you probably shouldn't have taken that UPS trade. But it is what it is. Shout out Mara, not giving me 1,000%. like a dickhead. How far do I think Mara will go? Hope it doesn't pop out here. Because I need to see 1,000%. Or this is going to be a pretty big problem. AHI. Damn, what the fuck? This is actually a trade. Right on 1 minute open. It's a trade right there. I see it. 14 mil market cap. Jesus, careful with that. APLD looks really good. How many people are in here? How do I see? Like the stream. Make sure you like it too. I forgot you can do that in here. Did I go to college? I'm 20 years old. So I would be in college right now. Which I think you can tell I'm sitting at my desk in my room. Hopefully you can tell. Change my name? Yeah, there you go. Why don't I do SMC? I personally think it's pretty bullshit. I told Mara, find me another setup like that. There's always more. There's always more. Don't worry. I just want 1,000%. Like, is that too much to ask for? Like, really? Okay, wait. I need to switch these windows. Why? For Smart Money Concepts? I mean, just listen to the name of it. First of all. Damn. Yeah, I just don't like it because I think, well, one, I don't like to day trade Forex. What's bad about SMC TGR trades it? Hey, I'm getting there. I'm getting to it. I just think, well, I don't day trade Forex or anything like that. If I were to day trade, it's just gonna be like SPY AI. So, am I doing options? I'm in a trade right now from yesterday. I'm up 922%. See, that's why I don't like SMC. You guys see SMC is only for Forex? No, not really. I don't know what it's for, to be honest. I haven't looked into it. But you guys see like the trades that I get. You're not gonna get that from anything else, to be quite honest with you. That's just the reality of it. Like my trading style is pretty good for me. Doesn't mean for everyone, but for me. It's also 654 and there's no setup on SPY. That's annoying. You can do both. Why would I do both? That doesn't make any sense. I can use 4 strategies that I already know and are really good at. So it's like I might as well just use those. I know the performance I can get off that is already good. I'm not going to switch it up. And I just don't like the concepts at all. Just curious, why don't you charge 200 for your live streams? Um, well, the Discord is a lot more. It's like community based, and that's where like You have questions, we jump on a call, things like that. Like the Discord is it's different, you know? Like the live streams and like the trades and stuff, I don't mind giving that out. A lot of people need that stuff too. So it's like, might as well. It doesn't hurt me. You guys like it, so it's like, fuck it, right? It's hard to pay 200 plus per month when I'm still learning, but trading Discords are super expensive. I mean, yeah, like I would get that, but at the same time, it's like I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's that expensive for trading. Like you should have a fair amount of money if you're considering to make trading your career. And that's the focus for the Discord. It's not like it's not just like some little alert service, day trade options. Like all that stuff is bullshit. Because I know what I wanted. And at first I wanted that. Then I started learning and I'm like, I need a better community. Like that's the whole point of the Discord. It's not meant for everyone. I have $50. That's kind of unfortunate. Dog, my mom's forcing me to do a job over the summer and it's full time. I can't trade. Well, then you'll have money. You're going to need some money. Isn't Fed testifies in a couple? I don't even know. Like 7, right? But most people are losing traders plus they're paying to a Discord. Yeah, exactly. So it's like the Discord is supposed to be like you should have a little bit of money. Like at least something. 10 is enough to start options trading? I wouldn't say that. Like if I was profitable, why would I need a Discord? Because you get a lot of feedback from people who are better than you. It's nice to have a community. Like I even like it. I literally like having the people in there because like a lot of people that have been in there for a while know exactly what I know or at least are really close to it. So it's like it's just like having a community. Like why would you not want that? Everyone has different opinions on charging for Discords. Personally, I like to watch others win, so why would I charge for a Discord? Some people are just greedy. I mean, I give a lot of shit out for free. Pretty much all the trades are free. Trade alerts. I'm putting those on the Twitter. Writing out a lot of threads, TikTok videos. I give out a lot for free. I think a lot of you guys just don't consume it. You're the only Discord with free live trading? I mean, honestly, I wouldn't doubt it. Having a community around just pushes everyone to become better, and we all just help each other. It's amazing. Yeah, literally. When you say risk 1%, does that mean when your stop loss gets hit, you only lose 1% of your account? Yes, that's what that means. Aqua. That's a good picture. Do you know your Discord's win rate? I don't even alert in there anymore. I deleted the alerts channels. But if you're focused on win rate, then you have a bigger issue. Because win rate doesn't matter when you hit 5,000, 6,000. I mean, I'm up almost 1,000% this morning. Like you can tell, happens quite a bit. I don't need to win that often. Like yeah, I lose a lot. Who gives a shit? Not me. Because I win, and when I win, it's huge. You think it's funny how I always do TikToks in the dark? Bro, that's not on purpose. Like, I sit in the dark. It's pitch black right now. It's literally pitch black. I'm Batman. It's funny. I actually am. Are watching Spy right now, bro? Yeah. I basically have four 1080p monitors. What trading app should I use? Webull, probably. Mara, this thing could be done here. Wouldn't really doubt it. I mean, I got out for most. I'm up so much on it today. Yeah. I might just close the rest soon. We'll see. Look at PCO hourly. How the fuck did I type that in at all? Did I type in MG114? That is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a broadening formation. That's not the best looking. It's also a 2.38 ADR. Too slow. Eyes off it. APLD, don't do that to me. Mara, you can do that to me. I already got fucking 900%. MGOL? I didn't realize it was up that much. CXAI? Damn, what a piece of shit. Do you know Enzo Bardol? No. You want above 580R? Yeah. Always. If it's options, it can be different. Iowan Q. That's unfortunate. This thing's breaking down too? Are you kidding me? This is just going lower. Honestly, looks like shit at this point. Let's check the options list. Google? Alright, I think I'm just gonna close Mara here. Like all of it. If I had shares, I wouldn't, but some news with Powell testifying. Yeah, Powell can suck my nuts. Who's buying SPY shares? You have the blue LEDs on? Nope. Pitch black. This bounce at pre-market level? Not really. It's a pretty ugly open. All right, updating Gaines channel in Discord. One second. You guys are gonna have to react. All right, go react. Gaines channel Discord. Look at that. How tall am I? 5'8", I think. APLD didn't stop out yet. Are you guys tripping or what? Stops at low. It's about to stop. Not yet, though. Are you adding more APD shares at this level? No. I only added a strength off another setup. Like, here, let's let that stop out. Yep, there we go. Piece of shit. I'll show you, like, this one. So, this was... Let's do a little trade breakdown on this, actually, really quick, because there's not going to be anything else to do. We'll do this, and then I'll probably head out of here. Alright, so this one right here, right? Little note, you see. Earnings report. Good earnings. Gaps up. Meets criteria. Take opening range. So I'm in this, like, here, right? Stops down here. So I have good size. Pulls up. Goes sideways. Here, I can add on this break. So, sold a good amount right here. Actually, right here. Because it was, I sell at close. So, buy this here. Stop here. Because of the strategy, which I'll go over when one of them actually happens live. It's a little bit difficult to do it on this. But buy this here about somewhere around this candle. Stop loss at low. 3 days in, I sell at close. I sell a half of the position. Or actually, I sold a third of this position. And then it goes sideways. Builds a range. Bounces off the 10. Never closes under the 10. Breaks out right here again. So I add. Now I have more. So it's like my position is back. Full position. Stops at low of this candle now. So now my entry's here. My average is like somewhere around here. But my stop is at this low. So no matter what, if I get stopped out, I'm in profits. Already took some profits. And now I'm waiting. Closes under 10-day right there. Sell right here at close. Right before close. And boom. That's a 58% move in a month. Do you trade 0 DTE? Yeah. I do. What's ADR? Average daily range. So this has a 6.38 ADR, which means on average this is going to move 6.38% per day. That's like the intraday volatility over the past 21 days. And then if I go here to SPY, you can see it's 0.95. So it's not going to move very fast. You're not going to make a lot of money off this. You're not going to catch big moves. You see something like Mara with a 9.15, and people look at me like I'm fucking crazy for saying it's going to 1189 in a single day from here. Like, yeah, it made an 18% move. So what? Of course it did. Because over the past 2 months, it's been completely sideways and it still has a almost 10 ADR. That's how you catch big movers. You have to filter out the slow ones. You can't look at them. Like even shit like Nvidia, you don't get like okay, it broke out in 7 days. It made a 9% move. In one day, we get an 18% move. You see what I'm saying? Like, of course, I'm gonna make more. And then people say like, or someone was asking me like, why I don't trade smart money concepts because I don't want to sit there and look at a 1% move. Like, yeah, I could leverage it or get more size because the stop's tight, but it's like, I don't want to sit here and stare at that shit all day. I doubt you guys do. That's no fun. It's all about efficiency. I don't have to trade a lot. I can lose a lot. When I win, what do you know? It's big. I just dropped a 977% gain in 2 days. Powell meeting might give us a SPY trade. I don't see a setup. What's your criteria to cut losses? Well, if it's a breakout, stops at low a day. That's it. Mara stopped me out yesterday, but I got a re-entry. So I'll show you guys that really quick. Mara, right? So let's go here. So what I do on a breakout, right? We see this breaking out. Wait for the 5-minute highs to be taken out. So the second this took out this 5-minute high, I was in it. Stop loss is right here at the lows. Got stopped out right here. Waited. It held up. There's actually a reversal set up right there. But waited. Took out highs again. I think I had like one, or I had something left after the stop, but then I just sold it and then got back in. So re-entry would be on this 5-minute high break. That's the easiest way to do it. BLMN breakout? Not sure. Let me check in a sec. But yeah, get back in at breakout of highs. So you're basically in at the exact same time you would have been 3 hours ago. Yeah, you just have to wait 3 hours. It happens sometimes. You're going to have to, you'll be forced to re-enter. And sometimes what sucks is you'll re-enter and get stopped out again. But that's just how it works. This volume looks really weird. 3 ADR. Setup's not very good. Consumer cyclical. How's that sector? Probably shit. Yeah. No good. Alright, so let's say APLD takes out highs again. I'm back in it. And, you know, there's a chance I could get stopped out again, but it is what it is. That's just part of the game. This right here, there's a setup here. Short setup. You have to have over like 30K to trade this. So if you're starting to trade right now, would you rather trade the swing strategy or day trade strategy that SPY uses? It's a really good question. Why can't I see this fucking comment? There's like a big ass emoji sitting here on the chat. Can I send this space? There we go. Okay. I'm waiting. Oh shit, a hold over 8 to go long. I would not do that. This is a short setup. I see a setup on Spy. It's so horseshit, though. Not taking that. Setup right there. Wouldn't doubt we get a good reversal now. UCAR. That's interesting. Watch for a flag on this. Good catch, actually. Yeah, I'm going to keep my eyes on this. We had a runner the other day. What was it? What was that small cap? RXST? I have an alert set on this. It's pretty thin, though. What was that one the other day? It was like... Oh, BCIG, that's what it was. The same strategy, right? Like breakout strat works on 1 minute, especially on these small caps. Do you still own the SVJ? No, I never did. That's Josh's car. That thing was 850K, and he sold it for 650. So you can see why I wouldn't do something like that. Also, I broke the windshield and popped the tires, and that was a lot of money. It's no fun. Too expensive right now. Maybe later in life. What software is this? TC2000. Yeah, for smaller accounts, is it better to swing trade? It doesn't really matter, realistically. Like, long-term outcome's going to be the same. It's what you prefer. You'll learn quicker by day trading because you're going to have more setups more often. So you're going to have to trade more. UCAR had the same thing a month ago. Swing puts might be the move. I wouldn't say that. I'd say wait for an intraday flag and then go long on a breakout. I mean, shit. This looks pretty good to me. 35% move in 15 minutes. If this... Yeah, I mean, if this flag's here, it could be good. Look at the month scale. What's a recent IPO? Monthly's going to be like one candle. I really want to get into day trading and find setups of my own, but I'd be mad confused, so I just follow LOL. I post a lot about a day trade strategy. Do you fill your trades in TC2000? No, that's why it says paper practice right here at the top. Linking a broker to a TC sucks ass, I heard, so I'm like, okay. Won't do that, I guess. I wouldn't even want to do that anyway. It'd be horrible. I don't even know, like what would you do? How would you even buy? I don't even see a buy button. For meaner versions, is the mean VWAP? No, it's the 20 SMA. Are you going for a short on UCAR? No. Waiting for a long setup, which I'll probably be waiting here for a while. Am I still holding on to Mara? No. Yeah, Mara. Oh, wait, that's still in my positions tab. We'll throw that on the watch list just to see what it does. UCAR. See, this is pretty strong. If this can set up right, like if this can just go sideways a little more. May 31st, UCAR went from 3.05 to $11 in 3 days. Then resurfaced like that. How do you find these setups? Small market cap stocks. Someone typed this one in the chat, so I didn't even find this. Typically, it would come up on volume scan. Oh, it's breaking now. But that's a really ass setup. What's low of this candle? 755. I don't doubt this just dumps right now or like fakes out. I could get a really small position on it. With a stop right here, that wouldn't be all that bad. Do that and then use the 10 on 5 minute as a trailing stop. Doesn't sound like a bad idea. Stock to trade as the best low float scanners. I haven't looked into those actually. What are you scanning on? What platform? How can I learn when to take more risk and when to take less risk and overall risk management and options? Never put more than 2% of your account in. Max. UCAR calls. They have options. Option chain sucks on it. Stock to trade is for penny stock traders. Yeah, right. That's what I was thinking. Is FinViz good for scanning? It's actually not too bad. Feeling FOMO and UCAR a bit. I took a small long position on the 1 minute break with a stop pretty tight right here. Right when it broke this. Just because I feel like Cycle's a little hot because of VCIG the other day. Didn't really have the strongest close though. I'm up decent on UCAR. Who's the best trader on Twitter? Um, I don't know who I'd say like the best is. I mean, just go through my followers. Do you use TC2000 without paid service? Or not my followers, my following. I follow quite a bit of people that are good. Do you use TC2000 without paid services? No. I have gold plus real-time US data. You have to. It's like $40 a month, I think. It's really not that much. Thoughts on Starboy? No thoughts. Yeah, this is gonna fade. Most likely. Hut? Holy shit. Like, if that would have set up better, that could have been really good. Of course it didn't, though. Even if I'm paper trading, do I need to buy upper real-time data? I don't know. Thoughts on Google? Like the fucking search engine or the stock? Because it was setting up, but now it looks pretty weak. This is a weak sign right here. Please flag out. Give me a good setup. Then I'll take some actual something real on it. I feel like you would need that data, even if you're paper trading, just to like make sure the prices and everything are right. Isn't it like $2? You might as well get it. What's your thoughts on swing trading versus day trading? I prefer swing trading, but I do both. I take every opportunity that comes that I know I have an edge. No edge, no trade. You've probably heard that before. Or actually, maybe not, depending on who you listen to. Seems like a lot of people say they don't even fucking know, actually. They don't know anything. I feel so bad for the AHI bag owners. Yeah, this thing's just getting halted left and right. It's pretty ugly looking. Your strategy is so simple and easy to understand. That's how it should be. You don't have to overcomplicate things. Like, that's another thing about SMC. Like, make up a bunch of fake bullshit names, make it seem flashy, shiny, cool. He's smart. I mean, he knows how to sell. It's all persuasion. How did I get into trading if I was like 15? I was like 16. And I don't know, I feel like didn't everyone like the people at your school and stuff talk about it? Like I feel like that shit people talk about it now in like middle school. Do you play earnings or not? Yeah, I play earnings a lot. Um it's different though. It's not anticipation. You can't try to predict earnings. I wait for earnings to happen. I was into poker but then got US banned. That sounds like a horrible thing to be into. Something where the odds aren't in your favor. I don't get it. Like, why do people gamble? You know you're gonna lose. Unless I'm tripping. Bovada, whatever that means. There's winners and there's quitters. Uh, I don't know about that. It's the exact same as trading. It's just playing odds and an edge. Well, there's no edge in gambling. Gambling is literally set up for you to lose. But it seems more like complicated strategies they are, the more profitable they are once you master them. Like SMC TGR making 20K a day sometimes. I mean, none of that's really verified, and at the same time, it's like the person I learned this from has over $100 million from trading. Started with 2K, so it's literally the same strategy. Or well, I altered it. I trade options with it. Mine's different because it's like it's more advanced, but Yeah, you'd be surprised. Like all the US investing champions trade the exact setups that I trade. Maybe not the same tickers because they're probably too thin for their accounts, but the top traders are all breakout traders. You'd be really surprised. Like they're all swing traders and breakout traders. The world record, Jesus, the world record is literally set from a breakout trader. And the thing is, he was just super aggressive with it in good market conditions, which is exactly what I did with options. So it was even better. What's the world record? It's like, let me look it up. Dan Zanger. Dan Zanger record 29,000% in a year. In 23 months, he did a 3.8 million% increase in the stock exchange. 38,000 x'd his money. Trading breakouts with shares, not even options, just the fast movers on shares. So imagine just the fast movers on options. And people wonder why I get big trades. Because I studied people that are good, and then I made something new. Well, I didn't make anything new. I just altered it and made it better. So you only trade breakouts? No. I trade earnings, breakouts, momentum bursts, intraday mean reversions, and intraday breakouts, and intraday fades. That's actually outrageous doing that with just shares. Yeah, you'd be really surprised. It's possible. Shares, people don't understand. Like, you can get the same amount with shares as you can with options. You can get more because you can ride the trade out way longer and get a much bigger move. Like, what are you going to do when a stock makes a 30-day move? Are you going to have an expiration date 30 days out? Most likely not. What screener would you recommend? I made my own. I posted it in the Discord. What's wrong with my voice? I need some water. You don't have to deal with the Greeks also. Yeah. There's no theta on shares. With shares, you need more capital. I don't know why you're saying that. Because that's not true. That's what most people assume. I'm going to write that down and make a video on it. Alright, let's see. What did you say? With shares, you need more capital. What do you mean that's true? How is that true at all? You don't need more money to trade shares. SPY AI is just an indicator. Yeah. Any option setups you like or no, not yet? Right now, not really. Trading small accounts are a waste of time. I mean, you got to start somewhere. What are you using for take profit on UCAR? Well, I'm waiting for this to flag out right now, but I'm gonna use the 5 or the 5 minute 10 SMA. trailing stop. Once it closes under that, I'll be out. It's so easy too. I don't understand why people overcomplicate it. Like a free screener. There's a free screener on TradingView. Not necessarily if you have $100 and find a Mara setup, you are up to around 500 to 600. Well, if you have $100 and you full port Mara, like yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess, but like you should probably have a little more money so you can manage your risk properly and not blow your account. Because it stopped out first. So first stop out, boom, you're done. That's it. Trading career is over. Back to work. Not being profitable and trading a big account is a waste of money. Yeah. Just save money and paper trade. I'm at the point of my trading where I'm trying to prove myself I'm profitable, then I'm putting more money in. Is this a good idea? Yeah. Build up a little bit of a track record for yourself. Log your trades, something. Paper trading, you don't get the emotions though. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Just look at your. I look at my real account like it's paper. Like, I mean, kind of is. It's like, it's fucking. It's not cash in my hand. It's just like number on screen. Do you think trading is for everyone, or some people just don't have the personality for it or the ability? I think a lot of people are weak-minded. You need self-efficacy, which a lot of people don't have. So I guess it's not for everyone. Spy 436 calls right now? No. Not gonna lie, I rewired my brain to think my paper account is real. That way it can be beneficial for me. Yeah, it's good. Live life on the edge and full port everything. Uh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Swept liquidity. What did? Why is this fucking emoji sitting here on the chat? Like, it doesn't let me see. That pissed me off. This thing could be done soon. Good setup on APLD today. It failed, but yeah, was a good setup. What are your screener settings? Well, I have a bunch. One thing I like to do a lot to find setups is go through like the sector scan because there's a lot of things like scans won't catch. What do you guys think? Is this thing done? Kind of looks like it, but it's bouncing where it should. I already sold half. How much would be ideal to start option trading? Fucking 100 mil. I mean, realistically though, like, yeah, like 1K. You'd be fine with that. You started with 1K? Hmm. Pretty quiet now. Doesn't look like a lot's going on here. Be interesting to see this continue. Ideally, I want to start with. You want to start with what? Because there's a big ass heart emoji over it. I think that says 5K. Oh, the rest of this is gonna stop out. Basically gonna break even on this, huh? Little profit. Midday volume. Started going into, yeah. It's definitely slowing down. APLD update. I just said it stopped out. You should know that. Stops it low on breakouts. You looking for puts or calls? Neither. It's not always options. Actually, 90% of the time it's not. You still in APLD? Bro, what screener do I use? I have multiple. The main one searches for stocks that are up. That are up the past 3 months. And then I look for the ones that are going sideways. And I filter it out from there. Like my scan gives me probably not much right now because market's open. 87 items or 87 stocks. So I go through that. Obviously, I'm not gonna have 87 things in my watch list. So you own any properties yet? No. Why would I do that? That's slow and boring. It doesn't make you much. Let's see. Holy shit. This was a pretty good rally so far. I'd love to see this go sideways. That'd be nice. Mara looks pretty weak. It's probably done. All right, I'm gonna head out. What time is it? Damn, that was longer than I thought. I'll see you guys tomorrow.